Mornings can be super hectic. Got to get the kids out the door. They have to be dressed, they have to be fed. Maybe your spouse has to get to work on time. Maybe there's a pet that needs to be fed and a dog that needs to be walked. There seems like a million things I need to get done before I can get on with my day. Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Dude is behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. One of the things that I absolutely must do every single morning is to read the Bible and spend time with Jesus so that my day at least has a chance of being calm and peaceful. There's so much that can happen and go wrong during my day, but if I am grounded in what I've been reading in the Word, it really does help to make for a more peaceful day. I learned really early on to give the kids the best start to their day is to keep them on a schedule. So bedtime, wake up time, and then what to expect during their breakfast time before they have to get out the door. And that has been really helpful up to this day. My kids are 12 and 14 now. They're both in high school. And every morning, most mornings, they are peaceful. The kids get up on time because they go to bed on time. I know, they're 12 and 14 and I still make them go to bed by 9:30. I know it may seem draconian, but I am much more happier in the mornings when they get up on time and I don't have to rush them. And they're happier too. Seriously. This school year is way different from any other, but one thing that hasn't changed is I still want them to have the best start to their day. And that to me means a warm breakfast. One of the kids' favorite breakfasts is egg in a hole. Let me show you how that's made. Egg in the hole is one of their favorites, but it's also one of the easiest ones for me to make in the morning. I mean, I would probably prefer that they just have toast because you can put whatever you want on it, but they're not a big fan of toast because I usually like to buy the multigrain bread. Although today I have white bread, which they love, but every now and then I do have to bring in the white bread so that it appeases to their taste. To make it fun, I do make them heart-shaped.
Wow, so spoiled.
Just waiting for my pan to heat up. And I do use salted butter so that it's a little bit salty already. There you go, egg in the hole. Super simple. Some other simple recipes that I do in the mornings are pancakes. I love Nigella's pancake mix, so often we'll just have that already pre-made and just adding milk and egg in the morning, and it doesn't take a whole lot of time to get that going. But if you don't have time in the morning, you can always prepare other things. Like the other day I was at Costco and I saw like 12 Morning Glory muffins for like 10 bucks, and I'm like, what? I can totally make that under 10 bucks. So of course, I try not to spend money on things that I can make at home. And another one of those things is granola. Granola can be super expensive if you buy it at the store already made, but you can easily make your own. And we have a recipe that you can check out here.
Wow, you did that so successfully. I would have splattered the egg all over the place.
Of course you would have. So getting the kids to bed between 9 and 9:30 allows them to sleep about 10 hours, and they get up around 7:30, and they don't have to be out the door until 8:20. So that gives me plenty of time to get a warm breakfast on the table for them. And actually they're old enough that they can make egg in the hole if they wanted it for breakfast. I really do enjoy spending that time with them in the morning before they're out the door. And that is it. This one's for you, dude, because I love you too.
Wow.
I love spending time with them in the morning before they get on their way and keeping them full until lunch. Well, now that they come home for lunch, it just makes me feel better knowing that their stomachs are full to set them up for their best chances at paying attention in class and learning what they need to learn. So that took like 5 minutes to get a warm and nutritious meal on the table For my kids, I get to spend some time with them before they go to school and set them up for a good day. And then that sets me up for a good day. Dude and I are super thankful that we get to work from home and that we don't have to rush off to an office. For more Simple Faith videos, check it out, and I will see you over there.